Welcome back. Now the process in Pictory starts with adding your text to Pictory, and you will be entering your text into the script editor. Once your script is entered into Pictory, Pictory will then choose certain video clips to match your script, and you will see this in your canvas. What will happen after Pictory starts your process is that you will have an audio section. In the audio section, you will see that you will have a voiceover available. It's here where you can choose a voiceover from 11 Labs to use in your video projects. And you'll see the premium voices here from 11 Labs here in this area. You will then choose to apply one of the voices. So for example, if we choose to apply a specific voice, Pictory will then apply the voice. Now this is another voice from 11 Labs that we are applying here in this area. And once our voice is applied, we can then use that voice then in Pictory, and we can listen to the voice here in the Preview tab.
In the realm of consulting, frameworks serve as the backbone of analysis and strategy development. They offer a structured way to dissect complex business problems, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize areas for improvement.
So Pictory will go through the process of matching up your audio with your text, and all of that happens inside of Pictory. So if you find that the AI doesn't work in the audio that's produced, you'll need to try to work those issues out in the script prior to uploading it to Pictory. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.